Good day, you're welcome to Cardinals Hub once again. I welcome you to this new video. Today I will be sharing with you how to uninstall your Window Defender. It's not permanently uninstall it, but how to silence it so that you will be able to install software from third parties. Although as we all know that Window Defender can be problematic at times, especially when you are financially incapacitated to subscribe to higher paid version of a particular software. Maybe you've seen a software in a particular website, and to pay for the non-trial version is quite enormous. So the third-party website allows you to download the cracked version of the software so that you can use it conveniently without you paying the enormous price of the original website. So it allows you to access the same features which the original software has. So, but why you download this particular software? Window Defender over the years has been problematic in the sense that if Window Defender is on as shown in this particular screen, now it will prevent you from installing this particular software. But if Window Defender is not preventing you from installing it, then the question now is, how do you bypass Window Defender so that you will be able to install it? Because sometimes you desire this particular software and you are financially incapacitated to subscribe to higher package, and there's a particular website that has this software and also gives you the opportunity to download this software with low cost without you paying a dime. And there's a particular antivirus that is preventing you from installing it. I have a solution here now. If you want to silence it, there's a particular way you can do this without you installing external antivirus. Although if most computer engineers, they will install external antivirus so that it keeps off Window Defender. But rather than going through all the stress of you installing external antivirus before you can install software from third parties, there are two things that you just need to know. However, before we dive into today's episode of this video, if you are a new subscriber here, you are welcome to this channel. This channel is basically aimed at equipping individuals with relevant tech skills, research, and social issues. We focus more on tech, research, content, and social issues. So we try as much as possible to keep our audience updated on latest info, especially on tech, on social research, how to conduct research, what are those things that needs to be put in place. These are some of the things that you will be learning in this channel. And once again, I welcome you. All you just have to do is subscribe to this channel, stay updated on relevant things on relevant topics, and don't forget to turn on your notification buttons so that you will be alerted whenever I drop latest videos on this channel. So back to what we are discussing earlier. So if you want to silence it, and the main essence of you silence is not to permanently deactivate your Window Defender, it's just to allow you to install this particular software which you've downloaded. So all you just have to do is come here, go here, click on this. Once you double click on this, it will bring you here. It will bring you here. Then come down here, click on virus and threat protection. Once you click on virus and threat protection, click on manage settings. Once you click on manage settings, then just click here. it will ask you that, do you want to allow these apps to make changes to your device? Just click on what? Yes. Once you've done this, real-time protection is off, leaving your device vulnerable. Ignore it. Then once this has been off and you've already seen this, it has already allowed you to install this software without any form of stress. All you just have to do is whether this software is in zip folder or not, just go here. If it is on zip folder, it will be like something like this. So just unzip it and install it. It will not crush your file, because if you don't silence Window Defender and you unzip it, the possibility of crushing this file, because it will not install, it will count this these files as virus. But once you silence it, automatically it has already been given a leverage to install this software without any obstruction. So but once you silence it and you've already installed it, the software I'm using to record this video was installed through silencing of the Window Defender, because if I did not silence my Window Defender, I won't be able to install this particular software I'm using to record this video. However, once you finish installing it, all you just have to do is come back here again to do on it back, because once you don't on it back, or you forgot to on it back, your system will be vulnerable to attack. All you just have to do the same procedure, click again, then automatically your real-time protection is on again. So I hope you've learned one or two things in this video, and also don't forget to subscribe to this channel to have more access to latest videos which I will be dropping as time goes on. And also, before we close for this particular video, don't forget to always run a scan on your computer. Once you do this, just go click on this. Is either you choose quick scan, or the quick scan allow you it will run the scan automatically, but it's like a paraphrasing, like just scanning through all the files at once. But this one, it's not like a full scan, it's just like scanning through all the required file within a limited short of time. But the full scan, which is here, allows you it will scan everything, including every video that is on your system. It will scan it. However, you can, but this usually takes time. This is most times, highest time is maybe like 30 minutes or 15 minutes for this, depending on this type of file that this particular one is scanning. It's just like a surface scanning of the system, while this one will be deep down into the root of the system. While this one, you can also customize it in such a way that it will scan a particular file of the system. So that's what Window Defender is all about. As I said earlier, don't forget to scan your system after you've already installed this particular software. So thank you very much. I hope you've learned one or two things in this video, and I also beseech you to subscribe to this channel, and also to turn on your notification button so that you can be alerted whenever I drop latest video. Thank you very much. God bless. See you in our next video.
Feedback, I know it makes sense. Don't know I play pretend. I guess I see this change.